finally get my nails done. So in this video, you're going to see these beautiful gel nails, you guys. Stay tuned. Some of the gel polish we're going to use, the brands that I really enjoy using is Zoya, Essie, OPI, and C&D. These polishes of gel, they just last for a long period of time. They make your nails so much shinier. I mean, it's unbelievable how long this lasts, almost like a month. It doesn't even lift. The polish does not lift, it stays, and it's true to the color. So I decided to go with like light bubblegum pink, and then she's going in with a darker pink on the top, like a little swivel, like a top of a heart. And we're gonna fill that in, and then we're gonna make it chrome once she puts dark pink gel on it. So it's like little hearts on the tip. And the shape that she did my nails are awesome, you guys. You know, I have a 1-year-old, so it's really great to not have them too sharp on the ends. So this is like a semi almond shape slash almost natural look that I was going for. She nailed it. Wow, it's been almost a year since I had my nails done. This, you know, being indoors and not being able to get your nails done because of this coronavirus, man, it feels good to get these nails done. It's like I feel so much cleaner, you know what I mean? Because I am a jewelry designer, it's like highly important for my nails to be on point all the time because I'm always rocking one of the new pieces of jewelry that I make. She is like being very detailed and doing multiple layers on the tip because the pink is like a fuchsia pink. It's not really showing on the camera how bright it is, but it's more of a fuchsia pink because when you put this chrome powder on there, you can see that it's like a unicorn pink color, iridescent color on the tips. And you'll see the light pink still. So it's kind of like a heart French tip Medicare nail style, I guess. I don't know, something like that. I love it. I hope you guys see the chrome. You see how she went over the hot pink and it made like an iridescent chrome. It's like a mirror image. I just call it my unicorn, but it's just awesome how it has an iridescent look to it. So this is the final results of my nails. I love my nails. They're like a bubblegum soft pink nails with a little bit of iridescent chrome to the end of my nails. You see the baby heart, you guys? Oh my gosh, OMG. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's time for me to shoot it on my Instagram, and I'll tag her Instagram down below. And don't forget, if you guys like any of my jewelry, definitely purchase something. I love the nails. It looks amazing. Please give this video a thumbs up.
So I'm really happy about my nails. My nail tech, she is so sweet, so nice, and she did such an amazing job. And I'm so happy I got my nails done. I feel like sexy, beautiful again. I got my pink colors. I love the pink and the chrome on the tip. Just love that nails. Oh, all my jewelry, you guys, is on my website, and that's Chablee.com, and I'll put that down below. This is the rose quartz and, you know, all the rings and the jewelry and the necklaces. Yes, yes.